I pick out my clothes.
Down.
I pick out my clothes. Using is I pick out my clothes. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I pull on my sweater. I pull on my sweater. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I put on my hood. 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 I open my umbrella. I open my umbrella. I hang up my coat. I hang up my coat. I take off my jewelry. I take off my jewelry. I change into my pajamas. I change into my pajamas. I button my pajama top. I button my pajama top. I put on my skirt. 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 I wear a dress. I wear a dress. I wear a dress. I zip up my dress. I zip up my dress. I unzip my dress. I unzip my dress. I put on my shorts. I put on my shorts. I put on my shorts. I fasten my belt. Sally just saw. I fasten my belt. I fasten my belt. I unfasten my belt. I unfasten my belt. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I button my coat. I button my coat. I unbutton my coat. Coat. I unbutton my coat. I put on my gloves. I put on my gloves. I put on my gloves. I take off my gloves. I take off my gloves. I take off my gloves. I wrap my scarf. I wrap my scarf. I take off my scarf. I take off my scarf. I put on my beanie. I put on my beanie. I take off my beanie. I take off my beanie. I put on my boots. I put on my boots. I take off my boots. I take off my boots. I put on my sandals. I put on my sandals. I take off my sandals. I take off my sandals. I tie my tie. I tie my tie. I untie my tie. I untie my tie. I wear my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses. I take off my sunglasses. I take off my sunglasses. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I put away my clothes. Learn English with Mr. Fluent. If you like this video, please subscribe and channel and like the videos. Thank you, everyone.